So a new crop of students will toss their hat in the air. They will say goodbye to the work of yesterday. Some will graduate from high school, finally grateful that they're getting out of their parents' home. Some will make it to college. As soon as they get to college, they'll find it difficult. Then some will graduate from college. So regardless of whether you're going from kindergarten, and I know kindergartners watching this, but whichever level you're graduating from, what is the one advice you can get no matter at what stage you graduate? And that's the commonality of life. It's called a foundation. A foundation allows you to have a solid grounding in something, which means if you come up short in the next step, do you have a solid foundation beyond which you will not fall? If life doesn't have a foundation and you're constantly aspiring, the first time you fall, you're going to fall further than where you were. So for those of you who are getting ready to graduate, I want you to ask yourselves a few questions. These are foundational questions. Who are you? This is called role identity. In my case, as a married man, I always say I'm Anila's husband and Nick's dad. That's a non-negotiable foundation. So who are you? Where do you come from? Role origin. Whom do you credit with what you're going to become? This is role influence. What makes you laugh? This is called role mirth or gaiety. What makes you cry? This is called role disappointment. And finally, what gives you hope? Alfred Adler, the great psychologist, once said, hope is the foundational quality of all change. So for those of you getting ready to graduate, I think answers to those 6 questions. Who are you? Where do you come from? Whom do you credit with what you're about to become? What makes you laugh? What makes you cry? And what gives you hope will give you a solid foundation. And from there, you can begin to orchestrate your dreams and write your vision. Good luck in all of your endeavors, and we'll be cheering you on.